Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. Today we're going to be doing the Label the Garden memory game activity. Let's see what you need for this one. Grab yourself some coloured pens or pencils and also a pen. You're going to need some white paper, and you also want to choose between the Moroccan garden worksheet and the English garden worksheet. Today I'm going to do the Moroccan garden. You need to spend about 30 seconds memorising your chosen worksheet. You want to look at all the different labels on each worksheet and try and remember which ones they are and what they relate to, because then when you go to draw your own one, you'll be drawing them out as you remember them. Right, so once you've had a good look over the worksheet and memorised all the features and their labels, get your pen and paper and start to sketch out a garden design. You want to be creative, so don't make your garden identical to the one on the worksheet. Instead, use the basic features to design your own garden. You can be as inventive as you like, as long as it resembles a Moroccan-style garden. Finish my design, what do you think? There's definitely some things that I've missed off, so see if you can notice which ones they are. Also, you could make your design much more colourful and decorative than mine. Just use your imagination. Happy drawing!